Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 must-read self-help books for beginners. So without wasting further ado, let's get right into the video. The book number 1 on my list is A Man Thinketh by James Allen. This book was published in the year 1903. I remember back during my college days, this was the first self-help book that I read, and trust me guys, this book is a total game changer. This book is my personal favorite because this book basically talks about how the human mind works. What a man thinks, he acts accordingly, right? So the author has compared the man's mind with that of a garden. See, when we plant a tree, we need to water it right on everyday basis. Likewise, even for a human being, this is applicable. You should constantly keep feeding your mind with things that has got certain values, purpose, positive things. Only then your mind keeps growing. Otherwise, it's of no use. So this point he has explained it in the form of spirituality. So please go and check this book, guys. And this book has around like 94 to 95 pages, and you can finish this off in like 1 hour, so in one sitting. So yeah. Now the book number 2 on my list is You Can Win by Shiv Khera. This book is all about how to win at life. See, we keep failing at many times in our life, right? We face obstacles and we sometimes feel like giving up. Shiv Khera in this book tells that attitude is something that really matters. This is what separates winners from losers. This is that one quality that separates from the people who are successful and who are not successful. Apart from this, Shiv Khera also spoke about setting goals, the kind of action plans you need to take, and most of all, he even spoke about the attitude of never giving up in life. So this should be your second book if you want to start the habit of reading. The book number 3 on my list is Start With Why by Simon Sinek. I'd personally recommend this book for someone who want to start business, who want to get into entrepreneurship. This book basically talks about why certain companies, why certain organizations are successful and why some are not. See, what I like the most about this is knowing our why is very important, because once we know that why, once we have a complete clarity about what we want to do, only then we will get to know the other 2 questions, that is how to do and what to do. So this is not only applicable in organizations or companies or in any sort of business, it can be even applied in our own life. We need to have our why clear, only then everything else will fall into place. So guys, the book number 4 is one such book that has been one of the best sellers, and also millions of copies have been sold till date, and the book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. If you are a beginner, then definitely you have to check, and if you are someone who has been into reading for quite a long time and you have missed this book, then you should definitely check this book, because this book talks about getting rich. See, here rich is not only about getting rich in the form of material wealth or getting expensive things and stuff like that. It has got a deeper meaning than that, about how to gain knowledge so that it will help you to land in your dream job, how to have a burning desire about something in life in order to be successful, and also about a concept called law of attraction and how visualization will help you. Now the book number 5 on my list is Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Now this book talks about different ways of how to get rid of procrastination. See, we really have a habit of procrastinating things, right? We keep postponing things sometimes because our schedule gets so hectic that this keeps happening on a daily basis. So for this, Brian Tracy tells by this book that how to plan things in advance and how to plan your day and how to eat that frog. See, here eating that frog means completing the higher value task first thing in the morning when you have energy at your peak. So make sure guys you check this book out, because this will really help you to manage time in a very effective way. The 5 simple books that I want to recommend if you want to start the habit of reading self-help books. That's it for today guys, and I hope you like this video, and if you want to watch more such videos on books, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet in the next video. Bye.